Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve a trigonometry problem, which is tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. It's equivalent to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So how we can proceed this problem? We'll start from LHS. So what is our LHS? It's tan theta plus secant theta, and here minus 1 is there. So we have one identity which involves both tan theta and secant theta. So what's that identity? Which is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So I'm going to replace this 1 with this identity. So just in front of 1 we have one minus symbol, just include that, and instead of 1 we are going to replace secant square theta minus tan square theta, and the whole divided by, will keep the division as such the denominator. So what is that? It's tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Okay, so now see here, this is of secant square theta minus tan square theta is of the form a square minus b square. So now we will start proceeding with the formula. So first one is tan theta plus secant theta minus, so now I'm going to use this a square minus b square form. So how can I write this? Secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta, which is of the form a plus b into a minus b. So, and as usual, the denominator will keep the denominator. So what's the denominator? It's tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. See, I can combine this tan theta plus secant theta as one term, as a single term. And now look into the numerator. We have tan theta plus secant theta common for both the term. So what are the two terms? I'll just highlight over here. See, this is term 1 and this whole thing are term 2. In both the terms, we have tan theta plus secant theta, and here also tan theta plus secant theta. So we took that in common. Then what is left over? If I take tan theta plus secant theta, what is left over? Only 1 is left over. In between, minus sign is there, so we are putting the minus sign. And here what is left over? It is secant theta minus tan theta. Remember, just put inside a bracket because we have minus sign outside. Yes. So this is what we got after taking tan theta secant theta in common. We got the leftover as 1 minus the whole bracket secant theta minus tan theta. And our denominator is going to be tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. See here, in between these two we have a multiplication symbol. If I simplify this term, what I will get? 1 minus secant theta, and minus into minus will become plus tan theta. So what it means? This term and the denominator both are same. So we can cancel these two terms. So what we have left with? It is just tan theta plus secant theta. This is what our answer. But see, in our question, the RHS is of sine and cos. So we can convert this tan and secant in terms of sine and cos. So what is tan theta? It is sine theta by cos theta. And what is secant theta? It is 1 by cos theta. So we can combine, as both the denominator is same, we can combine with a single denominator, and the upside is going to be sine theta plus 1. So which is what the answer they asked us to prove. So we got it. Hope you understood. Thank you.